Bay East wants to help keep you safe. We have various tools with specific features that offer safety and security during your transactions.
Super Agent Alert is a convenient security feature built into your Super eKey. With the press of a button, the Agent Alert feature gives agents a simple and discreet way to send an alert via email or text message to up to 3 contacts of their choice. Should the need arise, the agent simply holds down the alert icon in their eKey for 3 seconds, sending a predetermined message and a link to a map of the key's location to the contacts that were chosen.
Additional products Bay East offers include safety features. First, Lone Wolf Transaction Zip Form Edition is a tool you can use to ensure your transactional documents are secure between you and your client. Inside your transaction, you can upload documents and privately share the entire transaction to corresponding parties. You don't need to e-sign or download documents. Just click on Share located under Private Share. There's no concern for an email getting lost, and all the information is stored in a single location. HomeSpotter and HomeSnap are 2 apps that offer additional security features. Both offer a secure texting platform to text properties directly to your client. In addition, HomeSnap allows you to set a safety timer when you're near a property. Just tell HomeSnap how long you expect to be at the location and select your emergency contacts. You can stop the safety timer or add time as you go. If the timer expires, a text message will be sent to your emergency contacts. Or in cases of distress, you have the ability to send a text message to your emergency contacts in one tap. Your well-being is very important to Bay East, and we offer these products to help keep you safe. For assistance with Super Web, please contact Member Services directly at 925-730-4060, or you can contact Super Support directly at 877-699-6787. For any of the other products I discussed, please reach out to our technical support department directly at 925-730-7100. And as always, thank you for watching.